terrifying Rooster Spurs, you won't believe the size. They say a rooster's age is measured by the size of his spurs. When Petka turned 3, his spurs became so massive that even the bravest animals kept their distance. Chickens, dogs, even cats, everyone respected him. At first, it was funny, but then I started thinking, what if he turns against me? His spurs could easily rival a dagger. Maybe it's time to find him a new home before he decides who rules the yard. Don't miss our next content. Interesting things are yet to come.